Understanding Toot the Same Horn, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase, toot the same horn. It's a quirky idiom that might sound a bit strange at first, but it's packed with meaning and is quite useful in everyday conversations. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this expression together. Toot the same horn is an idiom that isn't as commonly heard as others, but it carries a significant meaning. To toot a horn literally means to blow a horn or make a sound with it. However, when we use this phrase figuratively, it means to agree with someone else's opinion or to support the same cause. It's akin to saying, sing the same tune, or, on the same page, indicating harmony and agreement between parties. The phrase likely derives from the tradition of blowing horns to gather attention or signal agreement during events or announcements. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used to indicate when two or more people share the same views or beliefs. In usage, it's often applied in discussions or debates to highlight consensus or mutual support. For example, if two politicians are arguing for the same policy changes, one might say they toot the same horn, emphasizing their united front on the issue. To help you grasp how to use toot the same horn in everyday language, let's look at a few examples. 1. Alice and Bob really toot the same horn when it comes to environmental conservation. They both advocate strongly for reducing plastic waste. 2. During the meeting, I was relieved to find that my colleague and I tooted the same horn regarding the new marketing strategy. 3. It's rare to see the entire community toot the same horn, but the local library's renovation project brought everyone together in agreement. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe agreement in various contexts, from personal beliefs to professional settings. It's also important to know when not to use toot the same horn. This idiom is best suited for informal or semi-formal contexts. In very formal writing or speeches, it's better to use phrases like agree with each other or share the same viewpoint to maintain a professional tone. That's a wrap on Toot the Same Horn. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing idiom and how you can use it to express agreement and shared perspectives in English. Remember, idioms are a great way to add color and personality to your language. Don't be afraid to try them out in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.